This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Sought after floor plan in well-established community, spacious end unit with nearly 1,700 square feet. Large great room with fireplace, eat-in kitchen with new cabinets, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances, fresh paint and new flooring throughout. Large great room, large primary suite with fireplace, sitting area, dressing area, and walk-in closet, junior suite with private bathroom. Private courtyard area with deck. Convenient to I-64, I-264, JEB-LC, and beaches. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.